Thanks for the watching, guys. Thank you so much. It's a handmade shoes, leather shoes, guys. Please subscribe the channel and share the video, guys. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें and वीडियो को शेयर करें bro. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your precious time. I hope you are all enjoy. It's pure leather shoes. Whoa, such a very amazing work. Here is making an upper. This handsome boy make the upper for his shoes. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Please share the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all, guys. Thank you, bro. Please share the video, guys. Share, please share it. खैर ये चले भी खैर पूरा आज जल्दी क्या हो रहा है Please, guys, share the video, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. मैं पहले लेके मैं तो वीडियो मेरी पसंद नहीं पे 57% लोग हैं कि सब पसंद है 43% है कोई नहीं पसंद 153 ने बेटा भाई guys, please subscribe the channel, guys. Thanks for watching.
अच्छा ये पे साटा उठे को इधर चाक इधर रख
Tavi kita weci tan boleh bawa kan It's a handmade shoes, leather shoes. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and share the video, guys.